Hey guys, what is up? New day, new video, and today is Black Friday, and I realized a lot of that stuff is not on sale. I don't care what they say, that stuff is not on sale. So this video, as you can see from the title, is a cheapskate video. I got my Dollar Tree bag right here, and let's just get right into it and make some knockoff Fenty. Okay, so to make the Fenty Body Lava dupe, I got a container. I got 3 for $1 from the Dollar Tree. So we're gonna try out 3 different solutions to make it. First, I got baby oil. Then I got baby oil gel, just a little bit thicker consistency. And then we got creamy baby oil, which is lotion. For the shimmer shine that we're getting, I got an e.l.f. This isn't new. It's new because I haven't used it, but I'm pretty sure I got this at Walmart in the shade Apricot Glow. And then I got this at Dollar Tree. It's a liquid shimmer highlight. Not gonna lie, never seen this, so I don't know how it's gonna work. But let's start. So for the first one, we're gonna try the liquid baby oil. We got our little bottle right here, and I'm going to try it with the compact powder. I'm just gonna break some up with this butter knife on this paper, and I hope it doesn't make a big mess. There's not a recipe for this, so I don't know how much we're supposed to use, but I like glitter, so. I'm sure that's more than enough, but that's okay. So now I'm just gonna pour some baby oil, and I literally just bought this stuff just for the purposes of making a dupe. So I'm not really trying to be limited on how much I use. So we're gonna fill this bad boy up. Okay. Ooh, okay. Let's see how this goes. Whoa. I think I need more. Oh. It looks so good. Okay. Ooh, I don't know if I should try them out at the same time or one at a time. I want to try it right now. Okay. I'm gonna add a close-up so that you can see. So that is the baby oil and e.l.f. palette. I feel like the baby oil itself gives shine. I only saw like a little bit more shimmer than you get when you use baby oil. So I can't really, I don't think that one really works. Or maybe if you use a different highlight, I'm not sure. I just feel like that was baby oil shimmer. But this looks really pretty. Like, this came out cool. It does look pretty, I admit that. For the next one, I want to try the creamy baby oil with the liquid highlight. I don't know. I feel like I have more hope in this one, and I want to have a good run for this video, so let's do it. I feel like this itself would be, I don't know how well this is gonna mix. Maybe I should mix it in something else and then put it in here. Too late. It's looking pretty promising. Can you guys see how well it mixed? Okay, let's try this one. Okay, once again, I'm going to add a close-up so you guys can see what this is looking like, because the lighting in my bathroom isn't that great. So I'm gonna show you guys what it would look like with sunlight or a flash. That one was a little bit better. I could just, maybe I just didn't rub it in good. I could see like streaks. It was like a little cakey, thick. I had high hopes in that one, but it's okay. I'm sure that the last one will not let me down. On to the third try. We are using this body oil gel, and I think I want to use the liquid one just because I had better results with it than the shimmer, like the compact palette. Okay, this one, oh. Okay, that should be good. This one's a little purple. Can you tell? Like, you can most definitely tell that's a little purple. But this is so pigmented, maybe it won't make a difference. A little bit more. It mixed that fast, completely. This one's gonna work. This is going to work great. I can see it. Okay, I'm ready. Let's try it on. It smells good. You hear my dog smelling? Okay, time for the close-up. Personally, I'm disappointed in all three. I don't feel like any of them shined how they should, but that also could be because of the baby oil. Maybe a different base would work, but I don't know. I was kind of disappointed. I low-key want to test this by itself and see how it looks. Are y'all down? Let's see. That, I don't even see how you could rub it in because it's going to, I look like a penny. That's all over my hands. Hand wash break. I'm back. I guess if you guys want that Fenty shine, you need to pay that 30 bucks for that, this size bottle of Fenty Body Lava. If you could find someone who's selling it, because I'm just not happy with these. I mean, if you just want to like stand out at the pool, these will definitely work. I was definitely having a little glimmer to me, but it is definitely not the same at all. On a positive note, this was only $6. It wasn't that bad. Honestly, I'll probably wear it for like photo shoots. But if you guys are gonna try this out and have better luck than me, let me know. Let's connect, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.